solve the equation y is equal to 3 plus 4. It is important to clarify what you mean by solve. This equation is in slope intercept form, which is typically used to represent a straight line in two dimensions. The equation defined a relationship between y and x, where y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Here are step-by-step explanation of what we can do with the equation y is equal to 3x plus 4. Let's go. Understand the equation is from y is equal to mx plus b, where y is the dependent variable what you are solving for. X is the independent variant, the input. M is the slope of the line. B is the y intercept, where is the line crosses by x y axis. In your case, we have m is equal to 3, the slope, b is equal to 4, the y intercept. Number 2. Plotting the equation graphical solution. If you want to plot the equation on a graph, follow this step. Start with the y intercept. The y intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. Since b is equal to 4, the line will be passed through the point 0, 4 on the y-axis. Use the slope to find another point. The slope is m is equal to 3, which means rise over run. For every 1 unit you move the right increase in x. The value of y increase by 3 unit. So from the point 0, 4, move 1 unit to the right to x is equal to 1 and 3 unit up to y is equal to 7. Now you have the point on 7. Draw the line. On you have 2.04 and on 7 you can draw a straight line through them, which represent the equation y is equal to 3x plus 4. Number 3. Solving for y given x. If you have a specific value for x and want to solve for y, subtract the value of x into the equation and solve for y. For example, if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3 underscore 2 plus 4, y is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 10. Number 4. Solving for x given y. If you have a specific value for y and you want to solve for x, you rearrange the equation to solve for x. For example, if y is at 13, start with the equation y is equal to 3x plus 4. Subtraction y is equal to 13. 13 is equal to 3x plus 4. Now solve for x. 13 minus 4 is equal to 3x. 9 is equal to 3x. X is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. So when y is equal to 13 and x is equal to 3.